Hyundai Motor Company has voiced hopes for a prompt deal between Seoul and Washington to lower U.S. tariffs on Korean-made automobiles and their parts to 15% from the current 25%. Our correspondent Moon has details.
Hyundai Motor Company President Jose Munoz says he hopes South Korea and the United States can quickly reach a follow-up trade agreement to lower U.S. tariff on Korean-made vehicles. He made the remarks at the 2025 CEO Investor Day in New York on Thursday local time, where he unveiled the company's mid to long-term strategy. He noted that the company's financial guidance was based on the 25% tariff rate, but said a reduction to 15% would bring results close enough to maintain the company's goals. This comes as Hyundai has already adjusted its operating profit margin target downwards by 1 percentage point to 6 to 7%, a move significantly impacted by the 25% tariff, unlike the 15% applied to Japanese competitors.
We all hope that both governments will be able to achieve an agreement that would pose a strong performance of the company, even if on the 15%.
In response to these tariff hurdles and to solidify its presence in the U.S. market, the automaker has ramped up its investment to approximately $11 billion for the 2025 to 2028 period. The move is aimed at expanding U.S. production capacity and establishing a robotic ecosystem. Furthermore, with the termination of tax credits under the IRA dampening EV market prospects, Hyundai has pivoted its mid to long-term strategy. EV sales targets have been replaced with a focus on eco-friendly vehicles, including hybrids. The company also plans to launch its first mid-size pickup truck before 2030 in North America, targeting one of the largest segments in the industry. On the recent detention and release of more than 300 South Korean workers at its battery plant construction site in Georgia, Munoz clarified that the workers were involved in the final testing of advanced battery production technology. He also expressed hope for solutions on short-term technical work visas.
We hope the US and Korea can work on mutually beneficial solutions for short-term business travel, especially for specialized technical expertise.
This year marks Hyundai Motor's first overseas unveiling of its mid to long-term strategy and financial plans, interpreted as emphasizing a nimble response to complex global auto market crises, including in the U.S. 문지영, 아리랑뉴스.